Welcome to Login Helps. Today we are signing up to a Tinder account. Tinder is an online dating app that allows users to anonymously swipe to like or dislike other profile based on their photos, bio, and common interest. Once two users have matched, they can exchange messages. To sign up to a new Tinder account, you can either download Tinder on your phone or use any web browser. I've already downloaded Tinder on my phone, so after opening it, you'll reach to this page. To sign up to your Tinder, you can either sign up using your Facebook, your Google, or with your phone number. Today, let's create an account with our phone number. Click to that and type down your phone number after choosing the country code. Click to continue. Now you'll receive a 6-digit code on your phone number. Soon after you do that, type that in and click continue to verify. Type in your email address and continue. After that, you'll be welcomed to Tinder and you'll be asked to follow the rules. Go through it first and then tap on got it or I agree. Type in your full name. Hit continue. Choose your birthday and continue again. Choose your gender. Continue to that. And you can even show your gender on your profile. If you want to do so, click the button and continue. Choose your sexual orientation, choose continue, and you can even choose what to show you in your profile. Either it is men, women, or everyone. I'm gonna click that and continue. Type down the name of your university and continue. It will show in your Tinder as well. Choose your passions. Whatever it is, just click on it and continue. Add your photos to your profile. Allow to that. In order to select, choose any 4. Click next. Allow your location. You can choose either to allow all the time or only while using the app. I'm gonna choose that. And that is it, guys. That is how you create a Tinder account. If you like the video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and never miss an update. Click the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I'll see you soon. Goodbye till then.